California iceberg. You wait till the sun's just right. Then you cut, prune, and pack like crazy. Moving out fast. Usually by trucks. But now more and more perishables are going piggyback. Riding the rails. Lettuce, tomatoes, carrots. Going piggyback. Oranges, grapes, and many other fresh fruits and vegetables. All going energy-saving, fuel-saving Santa Fe piggyback. Delivered in nice time, all in good condition. All with the idea of keeping the cost of fresh produce within your reach. We're pulling for you, America, every way we know how.
On the Atchison, Topeka, and the Santa Fe.